My name's Kate Nicholas, I'm 16 from Cheshire. My act's K9 Freestyle and this is Gin.
16-year-old Kate has a very special bond with her border collie Jim.
Me and Gin spend most of the time with each other. She's like my best friend to me. If I didn't have Gin, I wouldn't really have a life. Because she's the only one who's permanently there with me.
Can you introduce both of you, please?
I'm Kate Nicholas and this is Gin.
And what does Gin do?
We do K9 Freestyle.
OK.
You don't see a lot of that going around anymore, do you?
OK, off you go.
Bond. James Bond. Yes! This is what we're talking about.
OK. Amanda.
Well, I am absolutely speechless. He's the most talented animal that I think I've ever seen ever. It was absolutely genius. He is a little genius. Well done.
I think we're going to have to consider the prospect of a non-human possibly winning Britain's Got Talent.
Katie, all my life I've searched for another lassie. And you know what? I think we found him. Here's yes or no.
It's a yes.
Amanda?
100% yes.
Gin? 3 yeses. You're through to the next round.
Yes! Come here! Gin.
The dog is not phased.
Not phased at all. Natural performance. That's the thing.
Great animal.
Outstanding.
He was amazing.
Well done, Gin, you're a star.
It's a Shiba.
Sorry. Sorry, Gin, you're a star.
Well done, Kate. We'll see you in the next round.
Well done.
Brilliant, my favourite so far.
It was absolutely incredible. I've never seen anything like it in my life. I mean, he's better than Rin Tin Tin.
He's genuinely got a chance of winning, that dog.
I think
And
so.
more personality than Rin Tin Tin.
Public will love him.